Say hi to JC. We're fixing to pull this big tree down with my truck.
It's coming down.
It's coming down. It goes way up there, all the way down to there. And I haven't been able to mow over here because I was afraid it was going to fall into me.
Are you connected?
I'm gonna pull the slack out when you're done. This is East Texas tree trimming at its best. You know, let's calculate that thing's going to fall before the truck. Here you go. Yeah, I don't think it'll reach the truck from here, do you? Close. I think it's going to land about right there.
Yeah.
Real close. Couldn't afford a chainsaw. That's not true. We actually have some, but this looks fun.
More funner. Here we go. All right. Woo! It was like a breeze in the trees. Just like that. Now we got a happy tree.